Welcome Zenrupist. How to create a Stellar wallet. Please search for Lobstr wallet on Google Play Store. Then download it and open the application. You will see your wallet address at the top of the screen. Now, let's create a wallet from the section below. Your wallet has been created. To activate your wallet, you will need to send a very small amount of Stellar coin to your account at a later time. We can get our public key from the Receive section. Copy it and paste it into the relevant section in our application. Public key will be pasted here. Now let's get our secret key. For your security, your secret key and password should not be seen by anyone. Just like we did with the public key, copy your secret key from here and paste it into the secret key section in the application. After completing these steps, click Save Wallet Information to save your keys. And now you are ready for mining. One last reminder. After transitioning to Mainnet, please complete this step to add Zenrupi to your assets, ensuring it becomes visible in your wallet. Go to the Assets section in the Lobstr menu and type Zenrupi into the search bar at the top. When Zenrupi is moved to Mainnet, it will appear in this section, and you will need to add it from here to receive it in your wallet. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at support@zenrupi.com.